Welcome to Nano Craft AI, your AI-powered creative studio where your imagination doesn't just exist, it creates itself. Start in create mode, type your idea, and boom, art appears. Not sure what to write? Just hit the magic prompt. It upgrades your thought into something cinematic. Choose your vibe, cyberpunk, oil painting, or vintage, and watch your vision come alive like never before. Then, jump into edit mode. Erase anything you don't want, describe what should be there instead, and the AI paints it perfectly. Need more room to dream? Expand the canvas, and it continues your scene like it already knows what you imagine. Next up, analyze mode. Upload any image, and NanoCraft breaks it down for you. Every detail, every color, every little thing that makes it unique. And finally, video mode. Generate cinematic videos straight from text, or turn a single image into motion magic. Landscape or portrait, NanoCraft brings your ideas to life, frame by frame. NanoCraft AI. Redraw your reality.